This is a video of the P setting of the GTS. Both buttons together. You go to this settings. First the P0. Don't touch this. This is for odometer. P3 is for the voltage. Also, don't play with the voltage. If you change the voltage, the scooter will start malfunctioning. The right voltage is 48. And P6 is wheel diameter, 10 inch. P7, 30, which is the speed magnets of the motor. Also, don't change this. 9, 0 start or auto start or push start. 0 is push start, and 0 is auto start and 1 is push start. 16, don't touch this. It's a default setting. And 99, also don't touch this. There's no settings for the speed limit, so don't try to unlimit the speed through the P settings. Unlimiting the speeds for the GTS, we have a video for that. Ask for the video for the unlimiting speed for the GTS. Thank you.